bless you all, and today what we're going to do is we're going to do a salt dough recipe. The ingredients are 1 cup of flour poured into the bowl, 1 cup of salt, which takes a while to pour, so you want equal amounts. 1 cup of salt, stir really well, mix and stir, mix and stir, the salt and flour together, mix and stir, the salt and flour. You can mix with your fingers if you like, or spoon. I'll do both. Love the way it feels, the texture of the salt and the soft texture of the flour, the grainy salt and the soft, fluffy flour mixed together. Take your fingers, splay them and mix. When you feel that it's mixed up very well, take your 1 cup of hot water, it can be warm water, and put in little by little about 1/4 cup in, and stop and stir with your spoon. Depending on the salt you use, you'll have to really monitor the water. If you use kosher salt, you'll use about 1 cup. If you're using this type of salt, iodized salt, you'll probably use less. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. The liquid is going into the solid, and it's starting to get really crumbly, and it's looking mighty fine. You'll also hear the sound. I don't know if you can from here. The birds are singing. If you see some more salt down there, what do you think you're going to do? Add more water. And mix really well. When it starts to get very lumpy, then you stop and you take your hand in and you squish it. And you knead the dough. This is very moist. If you notice, I'm going to need more flour in here. I'm kneading the dough, so I'm going to take more flour. I'm going to put some flour from here, which is my craft flour, about 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to knead more of the flour into the dough, gathering up all the flour so it's not too dry, it's not too moist, it is just right. A Goldilocks experience. Now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it on a flat surface, and I'm going to knead the dough by flipping it, turning it again and again. This is called kneading the dough. It'll feel a little bit grainy. That's the salt. Some people like to use boiling water so all the salt dissolves, but I feel that warm water is good for kids so that they don't get burned. It works just as well when you put it in the oven and bake it. So I'm kneading the dough, and you can have fun turning it sideways, folding it over, squeezing it, squishing it. If you feel it's too moist, what do you think you're going to do? That's right. Add a little bit more flour, squishing it more so you got it just right. Don't want to waste any of the flour. And now we have what's called salt dough.